Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm John. This Cherview Chronicles Life in Motion. In just a couple of days I'm heading off with the family to the beautiful island of Fuerteventura. Unique landscapes, amazing beaches and hopefully some incredibly dark night skies. Now, packing for a family holiday as a creator is always a balancing act. You want to capture amazing content, but you also don't want to be that person holding a giant suitcase full of gear. So today I'm going to run you through the compact but powerful Micro Four Thirds kit I'm taking to do it all. Let's dive in. First up for my photography, I'm taking the powerhouse, that is the OMSYSTEM OM1. The weather sealing on this is perfect for any sandy beaches or any unexpected weather, and its computational features like high-res shot, live ND and starry AF are just some of the incredible landscape work. This will be my dedicated stills camera. For the video side of things, the main air camera for the vlog will be the brand new Panasonic GH-7. I'm so excited to put this through its paces with its internal ProRes RAW and that incredible dynamic range. This thing is an absolute video piece and I'm totally made up with it. It's going to be the heart of the filmmaking side of this trip. And for the B-roll and those quick candid family moments where a big camera is just too much, I have the DJI Pocket 2. It's tiny, it's stabilised and it's perfect for capturing those authentic memories without making a scene. An absolute must-have for any hybrid shooter on a family trip. Okay, let's talk glass. A camera is nothing without a good lens, and I've got 4 specific choices for this trip. First, for those dark Fuerteventura skies, I'm packing the 7-14 f2.8 Pro. This ultra-wide fast lens is purely for astrophotography. I have visions of capturing the Milky Way over those volcanic mountains, and this is hopefully the lens to do it. Next, my versatile workhorse, the 12-40 f2.8 Pro. This will be my go-to lens for the evening walk-arounds, blue hour and maybe even some more astrophotography. That constant f2.8 is just fantastic in low light. Now for my absolute favourite lens, and the one that will probably live on my camera 80% of the time during the day. The 12-100 f4 IS Pro lens. The range on this is insane, from wide landscapes to zoom-in details, and with that incredible sync IS I can leave the tripod behind for the daytime shooting and also long exposures. My record on this is 10 seconds. This is the ultimate travel lens. Finally, for that extra reach, I'm taking the 100-400 f5 to 6.3. This is for compressing those huge landscapes, getting pinpoint shots of distant volcanic peaks, capturing any wildlife that we may see, like the famous Barbary ground squirrels that I've seen, and also the chipmunks as well that are on the beaches and in the rocks. And to get even closer, I'm also pairing it with the 1.4 tele converter, giving me a massive reach of up to 1120mm in a full frame equivalent. And for recording all this content on the GH-7, I'm using the SanDisk 2TB SSD, which is attached with a high performance USB 3.2 with 20GB per second 8K wire. That's attached to the GH-7. Also attached to the GH-7 and the lens is the variable ND filter. It's a K&F filter 2-400, which is fantastic as I can easily and quickly tune to whatever so nothing's overblown and I can quickly get the shots that I need. So next up is the Pocket NX Landscape Professional filters. I was gifted these by a reader of Amateur Photography magazine when I did feature in the Photography Help My Mental Health. I will link that in the description below if you do fancy reading. Can't thank him enough. I've got really good use for them and they are absolutely phenomenal as equipment. There's a 0.9 soft grab filter along with a big 10 stopper and also a circular polarizer that's got a sliding button on the side that you can easily and quickly dial in. And then finally I've got my tripod, which was a cheap one. It only cost me, I think, 30-40 quid, something like that. It's a load of rubbish, but I can't afford the one that I want. I'm currently saving up for it, which is the iFootage TC7, but it's going to take me a while for it to save up for that one. Attached to the tripod is the Benro Golf Delta 3 Whiskey Hotel Gearhead.
Constructed from magnesium alloy, the overall weight has been kept low at 1.9 pounds, without compromising the maximum load capacity of 13.2 pounds. Featuring separate movement in 3 directions, the user can quickly and easily set up the approximate camera position with the release controls, before using the large rotating control knobs to apply precise movements, guaranteeing absolute positioning for that perfectly framed shot. The reference scales allow settings to be easily replicated. There are 3 bubble levels for even more accuracy, featuring a pull and twist quick release plate system with /20 3-way camera screw with D-ring. Photographers can seamlessly swap between ball heads and 3-way heads without changing QR plates. Featuring a side tilt range from -15 degrees to 90 degrees, a front and rear tilt range from -30 to 90 degrees, and a full 360-degree rotation. The Benro geared head offers incredible precision in a compact size, giving photographers a higher level of control to take their images to a whole new level. So what are you waiting for? Let's go.
Absolutely phenomenal. You've got the 3 different levels that you can precisely and accurately dial in what degree of angles you want in. And it's also got 4 spirit levels, so you know that it's perfectly straight. Absolutely phenomenal tripod head. Can't recommend it enough. I'd like to thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy my other videos in the next few weeks on my family trip of the flights from Manchester to takeoff and landing at Fuerteventura. I'm doing disability accessible vlog and also the flight out of Fuerteventura when we come back. Cheers, out.